next sound is O, like in the word boat, boat. Okay, so as I said, you do not have to pronounce it like O but O. So whenever you see O, you have to pronounce them always O and not O. Okay, O. O simple, or O with accent circumflex, OH, AU also together, A and U, they both together they become O. AU also pronounced as O. So some of the examples: both, which means boot, both, both. In French, whenever you see double T, whenever any consonant which is used double T, you do not have to pronounce them twice. So which means I want to say that you do not pronounce it like both, okay, but as if it is a single letter, both, 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 which means boot. Hospital, 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 O AU. They, which remains silent, as I said, at the end of a word normally. So show, say ash together, say and ash together they become sh. So O show and they is silent. Show. Plateau, you see, is O also. So to, plateau. So these are some of the examples of the sound O.